Hello, this is Joe Santoro from Personal Property Managers. Are you considering selling your home or the home of a loved one and need to sell it quickly, but don't want to do all the back-breaking work that's associated typically with a sale? Perhaps decluttering, downsizing, etc. Perhaps doing needed repairs and upgrades on the home? You don't have to worry about that. We buy homes for cash on an as-is condition basis. We're a little bit different than other companies that are out there. We'll come into your home, we'll do a comprehensive market analysis, they call it a CMA. We do a complete comprehensive market analysis for you to let you know what your house is worth in comparison to other homes in the area. We'll also give you a breakdown of what needs to be done to the house to bring it up to today's standards for today's demanding buyers. Now remember that in pricing a home today and in selling a home, you're going to need to price a home that's commensurate with the work that needs to be done on a home. Let me explain what I mean by that. Let's say, for example, your house you're trying to sell and you just want to sell it as quickly as possible and you don't want to do any of the work at all. Well, as far as the clean out, we could take care of all that. That's no problem. But let's say it needs a new roof. Maybe a new roof costs $10,000. Maybe it needs a brand new kitchen with all different appliances. That's between $25,000 and $50,000. Maybe it needs a new heating and air conditioning system. They call it an HVAC system. That could cost anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 to $20,000. Maybe it needs new bathrooms, and bathrooms could run anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000. So when you're pricing a home, it needs to be priced commensurate with the work that needs to be done to it. We'll provide you with a full, complete breakdown of what your home is worth, what needs to be done to your home, and what a fair market price is on your home commensurate with the work that needs to be done. That's where we're different. We're upfront, we're honest, and we're completely transparent. So if you're looking for more information on selling your home, perhaps for cash, please look no further than contacting us. Please look us up on the net at personalpropertymanagers.com. Thank you.